Let us solve some problems here. Okay. Let us solve this problem to find that is to find the angle between the curves. Okay. So now we know that R is A into 1 plus cos theta and R as B into 1 minus cos theta. So differentiating with respect to theta for both these we get as dr by d theta, okay, which is minus A sine theta, and this is dr by d theta, which is B sine theta. Okay. Now, with respect to this, we call this as tan theta or tan phi 1, okay, which is r d theta by dr. And with respect to this is tan phi 2 r d theta by dr. Now, by substituting this and simplifying it, we get minus of 1 plus cos theta by sine theta. And with respect to this, we get as 1 minus cos theta by sine theta. Okay. Now, therefore, tan phi 1 and tan phi 2 will be, when you multiply this will be minus of 1 plus cos theta and 1 minus cos theta will be 1 minus cos square theta, and this is sine square theta denominator, so which would be minus 1. So therefore we can say the curves intersect orthogonally. Now let us solve one more problem. So we got to show that the radius of the curvature at any point of the cycloid, that is x, y, is equal to 4a cos theta by 2. Let us solve this. So given the problem, x is equal to a into theta plus sine theta, and y is equal to a to 1 minus cos theta. Okay. So again, differentiating with respect to theta for both, x will be, x dot will be a into 1 plus cos theta. Differentiating with respect to theta, y dot is a into sine theta. Again, differentiating with respect to x, we get x2 dot, which is minus a sine theta. Differentiating with respect to x once again, so this is a cos theta. Now, by using rho is equal to x dot whole square plus y dot whole square to the power 3 by 2 divided by x dot y dot minus y dot x double dot. Okay. So let us substitute these. One by one. So let us substitute this. Now rho, which is equal to, this is a square, okay, multiplied 1 plus cos theta whole square plus a square sine square theta to the power of 3 by 2 divided by a multiplied 1 plus cos theta, and this is a cos theta minus a sine theta, and this is minus a sine theta. So I can take this as positive. Okay. Now here this in the numerator I have a cube, and in the denominator again taking a and a square. So left out with a, okay, and this is 2 times 1 plus cos theta, okay, to the power of 3 by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta, okay. And since again we can simplify this, this is 3 by 2 and to the raise 1, okay. So this will be 2 root 2 into a. This will be 1 plus cos theta to the raise 1 by 2, okay. And again theta by, this is the root 2 a, and this is 2 cos square theta by 2 to the raise 1 by 2, and which is equal to 4a cos theta by 2. So this is the required result, okay. So hence we obtained the result 4a cos theta by 2. Okay, let us look at another problem. Okay, so let us find the pedal equation of the curve. Yeah, so we shall solve that. Now that let us write down the question. That is r to the power of m, e to the power of m. This is cos m theta plus sine m theta, okay. Or r to the power of m by e to the power of m is equal to cos m theta plus sine m theta, okay. Okay, now differentiating this with respect to theta, okay. So we get as m r to the power of m minus 1 into dr by d theta. That is on the left hand side. On the right hand side, a to the power of m, which is constant, okay. This is minus m sine m theta plus m cos m theta, okay. Or we can further rearrange this dr by d theta as e to the power of m by um, r to the power of m minus 1. This will be cos m theta minus sin m theta. Further, now on the left hand side, still we have, that is, r into dr by d theta, r into a to the power of m by r to the power of m into cos m theta minus sin m theta. Okay. Now we already obtained this result. Okay, let us substitute it. So this is r into, and in the left hand side you have r d theta by dr, right? This would be cos m theta plus sin m theta divided by cos m theta minus sin m theta. Okay, which is equal to 1 plus tan m theta divided by 1 minus tan m theta. Okay, so r d theta by dr, which is equal to this is tan of pi by 4 plus m theta. Okay, now this is tan phi, okay, which is equal to tan pi by 4 plus m theta. Okay, so we obtained the required angle from this, that is phi, which is pi by 4 plus m theta. And further, now p is equal to r sine phi. Okay, so this is r into sine pi by 4 plus m theta, which is equal to this, I can write this as sine pi by 4 plus multiplied cos m theta plus sine m theta uh, cos pi by 4. Okay, and then further substituting, now this will be r multiplied 1 by root 2 cos m theta plus sine m theta. Now this is r by root 2 into r to the power of m divided by a to the power of m. Okay, or 1 by root 2 r to the power of m plus 1 by a to the power of m. So this is the required result. Let us solve another problem, that is to find the radius of the curvature. Okay. So let us write down. So we have been given as x cube plus y cube, which is equal to 3ax into y. Okay, differentiating with respect to x, we get as 3x square plus 3y square y dash, which is equal to 3 into a. This will be y and x y dash. Okay. Now, um, getting the terms, that is, I require y dash. Okay, after simplifying it, we get ay minus x square divided by y square minus ax. Okay, let us once again differentiate with respect to x. Okay, so we get, so let us differentiate with respect to y. So y double dash is equal to a into y dash minus 2x into, this is y square minus ax minus ay minus x square into 2y y dash minus a. This divides by y square minus ax whole square. Okay. Now we got y dash and y double dash. Now uh, at p, which is 3a by 2 and 3a by 2, so y dash at p, which is y dash at 3a by 2 and 3a by 2, let us substitute it. This is a into 3a by 2 minus 3a by 2 whole square divided by 3a by 2 whole square minus a into 3a by 2. So this will be minus 1. Okay. So we got y dash at p. Now let us substitute for y double dash. Now y double dash p, and that is y double dash at 3a by 2 and 3a by 2. Okay, so substituting it, so this is minus a minus 3a into 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2. Okay, and minus 3a square by 2 minus 9a square by 4, right? And minus 3a divided by, this is 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2 whole square. Okay. Now, after simplifying it, you get minus 8a by 9a square by 4 minus 3a square by 2. So this is minus 32 by 3 into 1 by a. Okay. Now at P, we have row as 1 plus y dash P whole square divided by y double dash P to the power, that is 3 by 2. Okay, let us substitute. So this will be minus 3a by 32 into 1 plus 1, 3 by 2, okay, or 3a by 8. This is the answer. So we have solved these problems. Okay. So in any case, if you find it difficulty, please let me know. Thank you.